Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Attorney Sharp Raleigh for another video. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about the immigration policies. Yesterday, we had the famous speech by Donald Trump on his immigration stance, but most critics are saying there's no change. In fact, it has become a tougher. Although he met with the president of Mexico, it didn't change much, and at this point it's kind of becoming a little bit confusing, and at the same time there's not much to expect now actually from Donald Trump. If he becomes president, he say he's going to create a deportation task force. That means basically going after everybody who is going to be undocumented. But not only that, that also means for people who have issues on their immigration cases, who ultimately might win if they are able to stay here. But if he starts in a spree of sending those people back, they might never have a chance to defend themselves down the road. So what can we expect? Nothing much. As we mentioned before, Donald Trump's stance when it comes to immigration is pretty clear. He doesn't want really to give a chance to anybody. As for the dreamers, he's going to make them nightmares now, because the problem is he's not really willing to work something with anybody, and everybody was expecting that by meeting with the president of Mexico, things will change. But in fact, it's just more an attention. Just like most of the time, Donald Trump, he will just catch the attention of people by doing something very weird, and this is what he has done. Now, the question is, what do we see in the near future? Of course, we don't know if Donald Trump will be winning, but there's a chance still he can win this election, depending if he gets enough votes from his base. And actually, his base is is uh, is pretty unknown. That's a problem, and we might see some reversal of Hillary Clinton's head in the polls, and actually it's kind of the margin is narrowing in favor of Donald Trump. But having said that, let us look at the policy itself. The policy is very clear. He's going to pretty much cut on anything immigration, including for people who are here for years undocumented, but also for people on legal immigration. He said he's going to cut on an H-1B. He's going to take all the executive orders by President Obama out, including the executive orders of H4, H4EAD, and you name it. So at this point, only thing we can say is this is quite no change. In fact, it seems like it's a double standard. He's speaking to two crowds, not double standard, but when he speaks to one crowd, he says one thing. When he speaks to another crowd, he says something else. And to find the truth in there is almost impossible, because there is no real truth. We need to find out now what happens next. As for Hillary Clinton, it's not like it's great for immigration, but we are expecting that she will continue what President Obama has built. There are some good and bad, unfortunately. So it seems like there will be no big changes in what we are seeing in the policy, including enforcement and also some good stuff coming from executive powers. So it's I just wanted to make this video basically to kind of comment on what can we expect now. While there's no change, like I said, in fact, it seems like he's becoming harsher on the immigrants, and let's see if things are going to change in the next 2 months before the election. I think there are 70 days left, so let's hope it will be for the better for the immigrant community. But until then, status quo from Donald Trump, it's not going to be better. Good luck to all, and anything I'm telling you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. Please call us 510-742-5887. Thank you.